Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Notch Nook versus DynamicLake versus Alcove, three of the best MacBook notch tools out there. So if you've ever wanted to make that little notch actually useful, this one's for you. So let's start with Notch Nook. This one's the most featured pack and customizable of the three. It basically turns your Mac's notch into a mini control hub, kind of like the iPhone's dynamic island. You can access media controls, file, drag and drop trays, widgets like calendars or webcam mirrors, and tons of customization options. You can also tweak its size, transparency, and animations. It's perfect for people who love tailoring their setup. Pricing starts around $25 one time or $3 a month, so you can choose what works best for you. Next up, we have Alcove, sometimes stylized as Olive. This one takes a cleaner, minimal approach. It focuses on music playback and on-screen volume and brightness, HUDs, and live notifications, all while keeping things super smooth and native to Mac OS. It's not as feature-heavy, but the performance and polish make it great for users who want simplicity and stability. Price-wise, it's around $17. And then there's DynamicLake. This app turns your notch into a control center packed with system controls, notifications, a drop zone, weather updates, and music playback. It's feature rich for its price, around $16.90, often with discounts. The only downside, it can occasionally be a bit buggy, but overall, it offers incredible value if you want a variety of tools all in one. So which one's the best? Notch Nook, this is best for customization lovers who want deep control and dynamic widgets. Alcove, it's best for simplicity and polish with smooth performance and a native feel. Then the dynamic leg, this one's best for featured variety and system tools, all accessible right from your notch. Whichever you pick, each app brings something unique to the table. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.